I'm Wendy Meades, and I'm going to show you how to draw this sloth. So grab some regular paper and a pencil and eraser, and let's get started. I'm going to start with drawing the tree. So I'm going to do sort of a swoopy line and another swoopy line. And then to make it look like a tree, actually, I'm going to do that a little darker so you can see it better. There we go. I'm sitting outside on the deck so you can hear the rain on the roof. This is the only place I could find that was quiet in the house to film. Anyway, so I'm shading on either side of the tree, just so it looks more round. And I'm going to put like little lines and squiggles on the trunk. Lines and squiggles. And then what I do, if you're not going to paint this later, you can use your pencil for shading, and I just use my finger. Just go along, and it makes the tree look like it is round. Okay. So now we're going to do the sloth. So I'm going to do their face. Here, I've got a picture of a sloth here. Their face is not quite round and not quite oval. So it's just sort of like a pulled out circle a little bit like this. And then I'm going to go partway down. And it's almost like a heart that they have. So I'm going to go around, except it doesn't have a pointy bottom. So it's sort of hard at the top and around. Like that. And then I'm going to do the nose, sort of half. The eyes are kind of halfway. Let's start with the eyes. So you can do any kind of eyes you want. I'm going to do just sort of round. You can leave like a little white part if you want, because you can see in this picture, their eyes are pretty round, just round and black. And I like this type of sloth that has the dark sort of, I'm going to do little dark sort of patches on the side. So we'll just shade that in. A little bit like that. I think that looks super cute. I'm doing it a little bit more curved than they have it, but I think that looks sweet. And then the nose, so you check out where the eyes are, and then the nose just starts just sort of below the eyes. And so I'm just doing a line and then a curve for the nose. And I'm going to fill that in. There we go. And then the mouth is right under the nose for the sloth. So I'm going to do a big smile because they do always look like they're smiling. Probably because they're chilling out a lot. Let's look at this picture again. So this is from the scholastic.com Learn at Home series that is free. And there's 2 weeks of lessons. And this is in the first day. There's a lesson on sloths in the, I think it's grades 3 to 5. So this drawing goes nicely with that lesson they have on there. Okay, so we have our face. I'm just going to give my sloth some fun hair up here. Make it kind of a bit of a character. And you can just shade this part in. So I'm just doing like little strokes like this so it looks more like hair. And you can even, do a little bit of smudging so it's more. There we go. Okay, and then they have sort of this dark bit underneath, which I think is cute too. So we're going to add that in. Okay, there's our sloth face. Okay, so now we're going to come down below, kind of sort of lining up where that eye is, and you're going to swoop it to the tree like this. Swoop. And then we're going to pretend that this is going all the way across. We're going to trace our pencil like that, and then we'll do like a little hump thing. And then some sloths have 2 sort of claws and some have 3. So I'm going to do 3. And they're very long. You see pictures of them, they're very long. Okay, and then we're going to pretend this is coming sort of at an angle across like that. And there. And then I'm going to draw a line for the body with a little bit extra there. And so then the leg is going to start into the body and swoop up again. So we're going to go swoop like that. And this one is coming up and over the tree. Like so. And then it comes down at an angle again. And so this time we don't need the hump over because this one's underneath and this one's overneath. So we're going to erase all this tree. Except for the top part. Great. Okay, and then the next one is going to come from here. Make sure you can see. Yeah, looks like it. And we're going to go all the way up. So this is the other leg. So it's on the same side as this one. Okay, and it's going to swoop down again. Okay, and we're going to erase all this tree. And it looks like it's hanging on the outside and on the inside. And then this body, we want it to arrive here. So we're going to start back here. Yeah. And then I'm actually going to just go a little bit in like that and then go around till you line up there. So the easiest way to do this is to know where you're going. So have this in your mind. So you could also go halfway, and then meet them together if you're finding it hard to meet up where that leg is. And then we have another leg that's behind. So we're going to bring that one up, but it's going to be underneath. We'll just do like that. And then there'll be like a hump like this with some nails and 3 or claws. Okay, and now this one is behind, so we're going to shade it. It's darker. I can hear the crow going by. I don't know if you can hear that. It's quite fun to be outside doing this. Okay, and then this one's behind, so we're going to shade that a little bit. Yeah, so it's darker. Yeah, and then everywhere there's a line like along the edges, I'm just going to shade it again like I did with the tree. Always sort of darker on the edges, so then that will make it look like more round. And can do that on the other side too. And you can see I'm kind of doing this kind of stroke, so then it looks like hair more. Yeah, you can even, on the outside, you can give him hair like that because they're very furry, if you want. You can do that all along, kind of on the outside and in here, like that. All the way along, there. And then these are sort of behind too, so we'll just give them a bit of shading. Great, almost done. I'm just going to smudge this now a little bit. I can get messy doing this, but it really makes it look more round, I find. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give him or her just some hair. So I'm just kind of scribbling, just doing sort of little lines. And this is all going to follow the shape of the body. So I'll do that. Okay, there we go. We'll give this all a bit of shading. And there you have it. There's our cute, very cute sloth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you press the like button and leave leave me a comment if you've tried it, and subscribe. Okay, have fun drawing. Happy creating. Bye.